English to Pashto sentences. What happened to him? هغه لا څه چل وشو. What happened to him? He fell down the stairs. هغه د پوړو نه راتاو شو. He fell down the stairs. What day is it today? نن د څه ورځ ده. What day is it today? It is Sunday today. نن اتوار دی. It is Sunday today. Do you know his name? آیا تا ته د هغه د نوم پته ده؟ Do you know his name? I forgot his name. ما نه د هغه نوم ییر دی. I forgot his name. What did he say? هغه څه وی. What did he say? He said yes. هغه او وی. He said yes. Where is your phone? ستا phone کوم ځای دی. Where is your phone? I left my phone in the car. ما خپل phone په موټر کې پریښو. I left my phone in the car. How was your exam? امتحان دی څنګه و. How was your exam? It was easy. آسان و. It was easy. When will the result be out? Result په کله یي. When will the result be out? The result will be out in January. Result به جنوري کې راوځي. The result will be out in January. My phone is ringing. زما phone بجاویږي. My phone is ringing. My phone kept ringing. زما phone بجاویدو. My phone kept ringing. Do you want her phone number? آیا تا ته د هغې نمبر پکار دی. Do you want her phone number? Do you know her phone number? آیا تا ته د هغې phone number پته ده. Do you know her phone number? She gave me phone number. هغې مالا phone number راکو. She gave me phone number. When will you be free? ته به کله فارغېږې. When will you be free? I like your profile picture. ما ته ستا پروفایل تصویر ښه ښکاري. I like your profile picture. You started being offline these days. ته نن سبا offline یې. You started being offline these days. Why did you remove your cap? تا خپله ټوپۍ ولې لر کړه. Why did you remove your cap? Change your cap. It is not a good one. خپله ټوپۍ بدل کا دا ښکلي نه ده. Change your cap. It is not a good one. How are you? تاسو څنګه یې. How are you? Or how are you doing? تاسو څنګه یې. How are you doing? How are things? څنګه چل دی. How are things? What's up? څنګه یې. What's up? I am fine. زه ښه یم. I am fine. Or I am doing well. زه ښه یم. I am doing well. Call me when you get free. چې کله وزګار شي ما ته کال وکا. Call me when you get free. You can call me anytime. تاسو ما ته هر ټایم کال کولی شئ. You can call me anytime. Where are you nowadays? نن سبا کوم ځای یې. Where are you nowadays? It's me Asim. زه یم Asim. It's me Asim. Your typing is so slow. ستا ټایپینګ ډیر سلو دی. Your typing is so slow. I will reply shortly. زه لږ ساعت پس جواب در کوم. I will reply shortly. I see you online all the time. هر وخت دی آنلاین اینم. I see you online all the time. Is nobody around you? آیا خوا کې دی هیڅوک نشته. Is nobody around you? Shall we take a group call? Group call وکو. Shall we take a group call? No, not this time. نه په دې وخت نه. No, not this time. All right, when is a good time for you? ښه ستا دپاره کوم یو مناسب وخت دی. All right, when is a good time for you? The photo has been sent to you. تا ته می پوټو درلیږلې. The photo has been sent to you. Let me know when you receive the photo. چې کله درته پوټو میلاو شي نو ما خبر کا. Let me know when you receive the photo. I need today's photo. ما ته د نن پوټو پکار دی. I need today's photo. Whose number is this? دا نمبر د چا دی. Whose number is this? She texted me yesterday. پرون هغې ما ته میسیج وکړو. She texted me yesterday. I couldn't reply on time. ما په وخت جواب ورنکو. I couldn't reply on time. Have I bothered you? آیا ما تنګ کړی خو نه یې. Have I bothered you? All right, I'll talk later. صحیح ده زه وروستو کال کوم. All right, I'll talk later. Talk to me properly. زما سره صحیح طریقې سره خبرې کوه. Talk to me properly. Don't you want her phone number? آیا تا ته د هغې فون نمبر نه دی پکار. Don't you want her phone number? Who plays with you? ستا سره څوک لوبې کوي. Who plays with you? He plays with me. هغه زما سره لوبې کوي. He plays with me. Who mostly plays with you? څوک ستا سره زیاتر لوبې کوي. Who mostly plays with you? He mostly plays with me. هغه زما سره زیاتر لوبې کوي. He mostly plays with me. How much do you love him? تا د هغه سره څومره مینه کوي. How much do you love him? I love him a lot. زه د هغه سره ډیره مینه کوم. I love him a lot. Are you happy? آیا ته خوشحاله یې. Are you happy? To be honest, I am very happy. که رښتیا را باندې وای زه ډیر خوشحاله یم. To be honest, I am very happy. Who named you? نوم در باندې چا یې. Who named you? She named me. نوم را باندې هغې هو دی. She named me. Where did he go? هغه چرته لاړو. Where did he go? He went to the school. هغه سکول ته لاړو. He went to the school. Who is this for? دا د چا د پاره دی. Who is this for? It is for you. دا ستا د پاره دی. It is for you. You are greedy. ته لالچي. You are greedy. Not all people are greedy. ټول خلک لالچي نه یي. Not all people are greedy. I put my condition. ما خپل شرط کېښود. I put my condition.